The government shutdown is now in its 25th day, and it could soon delay food support for hundreds of thousands.
The government shutdown is growing now, well into its fourth week. SNAP benefits for more than 40 million Americans could run out on November 1st.
Supposed to be a payday for them, but instead many received a pay stub showing $0.
Shutdown, how are you? Let me tell you a story. Right now, America is falling apart in slow motion. Government shutdowns, food stamp delays, federal workers missing paychecks. For most people, this all just feels sudden, doesn't it? But I saw this coming. That's why I left. Not because I gave up, but because I understood what was about to happen. When the system starts shaking, you don't wait to see if it collapses. You move before the crowd panics. You prepare while everyone else debates.
Federal workers officially missed their first paycheck now. So, and are negotiations even taking place in any way at this point?
No, none.
It's crazy to me that so many people are only starting to give that 42 million people, 39% of which are kids, are about to lose their SNAP benefits is because they're starting to realize how it could affect them. There are going to be millions and millions of people who struggle to survive.
Let's be honest. The government shutdown isn't the real problem. It's just the symptom. The real issue is how dependent people have become on a system that has proven again and again it can break overnight.
Finally got confirmation that food stamps is officially cut for next month. Every single day and clean houses, and I still rely on food stamps to feed my 6 children.
When you rely on a paycheck that can vanish with one political argument, that's not security. That's survival mode disguised as stability. And that's why I left the United States long before all of this. Because I realized peace does not come from a system. It comes from control. And control starts with one thing: income freedom.
Hey. Yeah. Hey. Flipping the script from my old ways. Flipping the switch in the flow state.
Okay, you don't need millions to do it. You just need an income that is yours, online, remote, and portable. That's how you stay standing when the economy falls. And no, I'm not saying everyone should pack up and move tomorrow. I'm saying start preparing today. Build your freedom before the system forces you to.
I'd rather die on my feet than live on my knees.
The government shutdown isn't just a news headline. It's a message, a warning that things are shifting, and if you don't adapt, you will get left behind. I left the US before all of this, not because I hated it, but because I love myself enough to choose peace. Build your freedom online. Learn new skills. Invest in yourself, not in broken systems. And when the time comes to move, move boldly.
Bro, it's raining and my camera is dead. I don't have any more battery life. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but it's raining pretty badly. Maybe y'all can see it on the driver window.